So just a few moments ago, I was looking out the window while I was cooking breakfast, and I saw something look like a stick in the water, but it was long, it was moving, and then it turned and started looking at me about halfway out in the pond. I was watching it with binoculars, and it started moving. I knew immediately it was a snake, and we're not too prone to having snakes out here because of the dogs. We just really don't care for them, and you know, there are cottonmouths here. So Jacob was on the ladder and notified him immediately, and he was able to get a few shots off. What happened?
Yeah, got 3 off. First 2 missed. You know, third one hit him, and he wound up right over there somewhere.
Right in here. So he was actually swimming right towards you.
Yeah.
And he was, you can't even see it, but there's a log. I don't know, that's about 100 yards right out there. 125 yards maybe. And he was sitting right next to it. And when I was outside, I notified Jacob that that thing turned and started swimming towards us. So Jacob was right over here and took a shots right here. About right here where he was?
No, he was over here when I hit him.
Right here.
He swam into that little slough.
Made it into here.
I was up at the on top of the porch.
What?
There.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
I shot from up there.
Okay, so great shooting. So he landed up over here, and we can't find him, but he's probably out of commission. And it's like, look, you know, I love nature, I love wildlife, but the snakes, you're dealing with cottonmouths and water moccasins and copperheads, rattlesnakes, and it just takes one bad one, and you know, the dog's in
If I
trouble.
wasn't up there and not on an angle, I'd probably hit him on that first pop.
Yeah, you got right on it.
But
I was flipping bacon, looking out the window, and I was like, what's that? I came out with the binoculars to investigate, and that thing just started moving fast.
quicker.
Quick update, I got to get water on this garden today. Everything, we are getting so many tomatoes. I'll film it later after I water it, but it's looking a little dry right now, so we'll get water on it this evening and make sure that we really saturate it. But there's probably well over 100 tomatoes in the garden right now on these plants. So, and we got bell peppers ready to go. But anyways, that's how the morning started. Please leave a comment down below. The house is under basic construction right now. Pond is looking good. I'll tell you, this pond is so healthy. Jacob,
Yeah.
What's your consensus on the health of the pond? I mean, there's so much life in this thing.
Oh, this thing's fun. It's fun. You got all your bedding. You got a lot of small baby fish.
Yeah.
That are all up in your greenery here.
We've
You can
had,
see one right there. I don't know if the camera will
Yeah,
pick
it
it up.
won't,
It's a little
but-
bitty baby thing.
yeah, we know we got a lot of baby turtles. I mean,
lot
we've
of
had
baby turtles.
so many turtles hatch.
And then yesterday we saw the what was it? I thought it was a Alabama softshell turtle, but it's a. Hold on, let me look.
And I'll put some more video. Jacob was able to shoot some video with his iPhone, zoom it in closer, of the snapping turtles. Those were alligator snapping turtles, and that male was huge, and they were mating out here for hours the other day. So I'll put some more footage, shot up a little bit closer so you can actually see them a lot better.
It's a Gulf Coast smooth softshell.
Gulf Coast smooth soft shell.
Yeah.
That's a long one. So that was out here yesterday. So you just never know what you're going to see. Alligators, alligator snapping turtles, soft shell, sliders, the fish, the birds. Last week, 2 different hawks came down and grabbed the fish out of here. That's always exciting. I love seeing that. Raccoons, deer, I mean, everything, vultures, you name it, rabbits, everything, coyotes, foxes, fox squirrels, everything's roaming around here. So, yeah, it's interesting now. I haven't seen in about 2 weeks, no gator sightings in 2 weeks, especially, but today's going to be about 87. It's getting warmer, so we're going to see if they start peeking out. This is breeding season, so we'll see if we have any larger ones in here, but a couple weeks ago we saw 4 different gators in here, but they were maybe 6 foot, 5 to 6 foot was the biggest one. But all right, more to come. We'll check in with Jacob in a little bit. He's scanning. I'm always scanning and assessing the property, and I detected that snake at about 125 yards, about 125 yards out. Yep. Yep. All the way from the kitchen. All right. Anyways, we got to head out to Lowe's now, see what's going on there. We got to get a few things, check in with all of you in a bit. Yeah. Oh yeah. Two snappers. Oh man. Good size.
Yeah. Well,
Oh yeah, you in there way better than me.
he's trying to mount.
Yeah, you can tell the male's much bigger.
Yep, there they go. They're on it. They're twisted up. Come on, mount it. Oh, she's fighting them. She's like, get off me. Oh, yeah, they're tangled up.
Yeah.
Yep, right there. Look. You can see them. They're in there.
Oh, yeah. He's a lot bigger.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool. That is cool.
Nothing better than some morning National Geographic.
Yeah. And I haven't seen snappers since when I got here in August. For a little bit, we saw them. I saw one.
Yeah.
And that was it, but they're definitely here. Man, Howard never saw anything that big before in here. That's the thing. That's why you know there's a bigger gator somewhere in here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, as big as those turtles are, there's something in here.
Yeah, and you never see them.
Yeah.
You know, they're here. Thriving.